2019 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, rear window defroster, power windows, fog lights, security system, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel, trip computer, compass, heated front seats, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.